Hello, welcome to demo of Shopify Update Inventory Quantity API. I have built this template using getlazy.ai, and what it does is that it allows user to update the inventory quantity of any product in a Shopify store using API. Let's start with this template. When you start with this template, you are taken to this UI, and we need to provide it an environment variable called Shopify admin API token. This will be used for authorization with the Shopify store. Let me show you how you can get that. You will log in to admin.shopify.com. So you will be taken to a screen like this, and in this corner you will click on settings, then you will click on apps and sales channels, and then you will click on develop apps. After that, create an app. I have already created an app. Okay, once an app is created, you will be taken to a screen like this, and then you will go to API credentials, and there will not be this API token. You will there will be an option to install the app. Once you click on that, and the app is installed, this API token will be created and you will be able to reveal it. Also, you need to edit this. Go to configuration and admin API integration, and provide from these you have to select the write inventory, read inventory, write product listings, read product listing, and write products and read products, so that we can read the products and modify their inventory. Once that is done, just copy this API credential and then head back to lazy. Go to environment secrets tab and modify this Shopify admin API token. I have already copied my token, so let me just paste that here. So environment secret is allowed. Applied. Then we'll start the app. Alright, so the app has started and it has provided us two URLs, the URL on which it is listening for requests, and an open API URL where we can test the API. So let us test the API. So there are two post methods. One is to get inventory level ID of a product, and then other is to update inventory. Let's test this first. Click on try it out, and we need to provide it the store URL and the product ID. Let's get them. So in the settings, this is the store URL. Let me copy paste that, and then to get the product ID, we will go to products tab and select any product, for example this example hat, and then we will just copy paste its ID. So let's just paste that there and execute this. So as you can see, it has given us an inventory level response. To update the quantity, we need these two, and we need store URL. So let's now test that. So we need let me just try it out. So we need store URL, that is here, down here. Let me just add these values. I have copy pasted the values here. You can get store URL from the settings, the inventory item ID, and the location ID from the API that request that we made earlier. I could not figure out a way to get inventory item ID from the Shopify store dashboard, therefore I have provided an endpoint for that as well. And then you will give the available adjustment. If positive, then 10 quantity will be added to the stock. If it is negative, then quantity will be removed from the stock. Let's execute this, and it says inventory adjusted successfully. Now let's see if it was adjusted. So it is saying 10 stock for one variant for this product that we just updated the inventory. Right, so alright, for some reason the changes were not reflected. Let's execute it once again. So yeah, I think it takes time for the Shopify to load it. So we have 40 in stock now, and it takes a couple of seconds for Shopify to load the changes. So after a couple of seconds, the changes have been reflected in the inventory, and now we have 16 stock as I updated 20 to the inventory. Thank you. You can use getlazy.ai to build more features or use this template.